The most popular gimbal for Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't always the best fit, and that's what most people don't realize. You see the same sleek designs, same 3-axis stabilization claims, but when you actually start filming, the differences hit hard. Today, we're cutting through the hype to show you which ones deliver and which ones just look good on paper. Product number 1, DJI Osmo Mobile 8. First up, the DJI Osmo Mobile 8. This is the premium pick at $160.27, and it shows. Right out of the box, you notice the build quality, solid hinges, smooth gimbal movement, and that signature DJI polish. It's not just a stabilizer, it's a full content creation tool with native tracking, built-in lighting support, and even audio input. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is heavy, over 230 grams, and not every gimbal can handle that weight smoothly. The Osmo Mobile 8's robust 3-axis motor keeps your phone steady even during fast pans or walking shots. The 10-hour battery means you can film all day at a festival or while traveling, and it even charges your phone while you shoot. Plus, the built-in extension rod and tripod let you go hands-free for group shots or low-angle vlogs without buying add-ons. Over 5,000 units sold last month show it's trusted by creators. Now, some people complained about the price, and honestly, it's steep compared to basic mounts. But here's the thing, if you're serious about content, this isn't just a gimbal, it's an investment. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent traveler, vlogger, or creator who wants everything in one compact system. Skip this one if you only film occasionally or hate carrying extra tech. For the features and reliability, it's solid value if you can stomach the cost. Product number 2, NEWR Metal Phone Mount. Now, if the Osmo's price made you flinch, meet the NEWR Metal Phone Tripod Mount at just $21.61. This tiny thing packs a punch, literally. It's not a gimbal, but a super solid mount with cold shoes, 360 degrees rotation, and a 1/4 thread. If you already have a tripod or handheld rig and just need a secure adjustable phone holder, this is a steal. Here's why this matters for you. The S24 Ultra is wide and slippery, and cheap plastic clamps often fail. This one uses a metal clamp that grips phones from 2.6 to 3.3, so your Ultra stays locked in even with a case. The 180 degrees tilt lets you shoot overhead recipes or low-angle street scenes, and those cold shoes, perfect for clipping a mic or mini light without extra adapters. Now the flaw, no stabilization. None. So if you're walking while filming, your footage will bounce. But here's the thing, if you're mostly shooting static shots, interviews, or using it with a slider, this mount shines. It's not trying to be a gimbal, it's a precision tool for setups that don't need motion smoothing. This is perfect for you if you're building a DIY rig or need a reliable secondary mount. Skip this one if you need smooth motion or walk-and-talk filming. For under $25, it's insane value, just know its limits. Product number 3, NEWR Vlogging Kit PA009. Alright, that was a solid budget mount. But the next one on my list might actually be better for hands-on creators, the NEWR Upgraded Phone Rig Vlogging Kit at $66.13. This isn't just a holder, it's a full cage with dual handles, cold shoes, and room for mics and lights. If you're tired of shaky handheld footage and want more control, this changes the game. Here's why this matters for you. The S24 Ultra's size makes it awkward to hold for long takes. This rig's ergonomic dual handles with foam grips reduce fatigue, and the adjustable phone clamp 2.2 to 4 secures your Ultra tightly. The 1/4 threads and cold shoes let you add a wireless mic or LED light, perfect for YouTube or TikTok. Plus, it mounts vertically or horizontally on tripods, so you're ready for any shot. With 200 plus sold recently, it's a favorite among indie filmmakers. Now the downside, it's bulky. At 1.27 pounds and 15 inches long, it's not pocket-friendly. Some users said it's overkill for quick clips, but here's the thing, if you're filming longer content, the stability and accessory options outweigh the size. It's built from aluminum alloy, so it's tough but not heavy enough to slow you down. This is perfect for you if you're a YouTuber or filmmaker who values control and expandability. Skip this one if you want something ultra-portable or only film short clips. For under $70, it's a serious upgrade from basic mounts. Product number 4, NEWER Bluetooth Rig PA0090. Now, if the last rig impressed you but you want even more convenience, check out the NEWER Universal Phone Cage with Bluetooth Shutter at $76.30. It's almost identical to the PA009, same cage, same handles, but adds one killer feature, a Bluetooth shutter button on the side handle. That means no more tapping your screen or using timers. This Bluetooth handle pairs instantly with your S24 Ultra, letting you start and stop recording with a button press, perfect for vlogs, selfies, or live streams. The contoured silicone grips feel great in hand, and like the PA009, it supports mics, lights, and tripods. Only 50 sold last month, but that's because it's newer, not because it's worse. Now the flaw, the Bluetooth connection can lag slightly on older Android versions. But here's the thing, for most shots, it's unnoticeable and the convenience outweighs the tiny lag. Plus, you can still use the app or voice commands if needed. This is perfect for you if you film alone often and hate fumbling with your phone. Skip this one if you already use a remote or prefer wired controls. For the added ease, it's worth the small price bump over the PA009. Product number 5, NEWER Magnetic Selfie Stick. Finally, if you want something ultra-portable but still versatile, the NEWER Basics Magnetic Selfie Stick at $41.33 is a sleeper hit. It's not a gimbal, but a 3-in-1 magnetic stand that unfolds in 0.1 seconds and extends to 5.48 feet. If you're always on the move and need quick setup, this is your best friend. Here's why this matters for you. The S24 Ultra works with MagSafe, and this stick uses strong magnets to snap your phone on instantly, no clamps, no adjustments. The 8-section telescopic design lets you shoot from eye level overhead or even as a floor stand. The built-in Bluetooth remote stores in the base, so you never lose it. Ideal for travel vlogs, group photos, or live streaming from anywhere. Lightweight at 11.9 ounces, it fits in a backpack easily. Now the flaw, no stabilization. Like the mount, it won't smooth motion, and the magnetic hold, while strong, can wobble in wind. But here's the thing, for static shots or quick clips, it's unbeatable for speed and portability. It's not replacing a gimbal, but complementing one. This is perfect for you if you travel light and film on the go. Skip this one if you need smooth motion or heavy accessory support. For under $45, it's a no-brainer for casual creators. So which gimbal or rig is best for your Galaxy S24 Ultra? If you want pro stabilization and all-in-one features, go with the DJI Osmo Mobile 8. Need a cheap, solid mount? The NEWER metal holder wins. For full control and expandability, the PA009 or PA009E rigs are hard to beat. And if portability is key, that magnetic selfie stick is a game changer. Each has trade-offs, but now you know exactly which fits your style.